Okay, don't click away. I've got a free webinar for you from ClickBank University. Safe and secure link. Please watch it. If you want to truly learn affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to take a $1,000 a month marketing funnel and turn it into $291,000 in a month, then you need to watch this webinar. You will learn 3 different marketing funnels, how to set them up, which ones will profit you the most, and which ones you should avoid. The do's and don'ts of driving Facebook traffic. You'll see results of an actual ad going from $4 of ad spend per day to $4,000 in ad spend per day and turning a profit. The solution to your #1 roadblock and the trick to drive unlimited traffic. It's simpler than you think. Why it's key to start using the information in this training as soon as possible. How to get beta access to a brand version of our #1 software solution for creating income funnels. Go ahead, go on through, schedule your time. Watch this webinar. This video is your key to learning how to be free.